going to change this again. To what it was. Okay, so this is the same thing again. Okay, so we're just going to go back to the analysis. Choose this and wait for it to load. Takes a little while. Okay, I'm going to say add dimensions. Okay. We're just going to compute this again. Came out to be this. Let's say add feature. And that's it. I'm going to hit close. I'm then going to add the relation that we created earlier. We insert parameter from here, feature, text gap, which comes back to this. Say insert selected and hit OK. Now I'm going to try and show you how the double regeneration occurs. Change this to 6. Actually, no, wait, I'm just going to regenerate this first. This is to change the depth from 5 to 11.6. 76 actually. I'm going to hit edit, change this to 6. And when we hit regenerate, okay, now you can see that this changed to 6, but this value did not move from 11.76. This is where we require double regeneration. If I hit the regenerate button again, it will change value from 11.76 to 10. So this is the correct behavior, but it's hitting a double regeneration. To avoid this, what we do is we set up parameters in ProE. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add part level parameters such as base for the base of the trapezoid. So I'm going to put it at 11. I'm going to add a new height. I'm going to make that 8. And I'm going to add another top width, which we're going to set at 4. I'm going to hit OK. For these to be generated into the drawing, we need to create some relations. So I'm going to pick these up from, just a second, you need to hit enter before you start typing. So I'm going to pick this up from here. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to pick this up real quick and enter this as top width. This as the height. And this as the base. Just hit OK. And after that, all I need to do is hit regenerate. Since I created these relations, they're going to have the same values as those put under the parameters. All we need to do is hit the edit, and you can see that they changed. Okay, just need to edit this real quick. Hit edit definition, hit next. And I'm just going to remove these and add the new parameters that we created. Okay, I just need to close from here. cancel this and quickly just add units to these parameters. So since we're using meters, I'm going to create all of them as meter. I'm going to hit the edit this definition and hit next. It's just loading the Mathcad file. I'm going to remove these and add these as parameters. The height and finally the width, the top width. So I'm going to hit cancel and hit compute again. And we're going to close out of here, hit next, and just select this. So it's going to regenerate with the parameters set in Pro Engineer. Okay, so this changed. The double regeneration feature occurs because the depth gap which is returned from ProE is a feature level parameter and it has to be higher than the part level parameters. So we're just going to move this from under extrude 1 to above extrude 1 and it will regenerate the drawing again. After that, if I just hit tools, for extrude we hit tools, relations, feature, hit this and enter the depth equals to the feature level, which is this, and you just say insert selected and so if we hit edit to any one of these and you try and edit, like these are all now driven by ProE parameters, and all you need to do is go to tools, parameters, and if you change these values to 10, okay, if you hit regenerate once, it will regenerate everything in one button. So this changed, and that's about it. Does anyone have any questions? Okay, thank you so much for attending Quick Bites this week, and next week please come back to join us for a session on backups by Kai Amundsen, and thank you so much for attending. Bye-bye.